This is the 4-post rack mount installation tutorial for online 3-phase UPS series. This installation tutorial applies to all 5U models of online 3-phase UPS series and their compatible extended battery modules, known as EBMs. Important notice: before installation, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and/or other related documents. To start, unpack and verify the parts for the UPS installation. And for the EBM installation. You will also need to prepare other accessories and tools before the installation. The rack mount rails are labeled L for left and R for right. The rear side includes a fixed guide screw for easy positioning. Begin the EBM rail installations by temporarily placing the rear ends with fixed guide screws. From the front, align and secure each rail using 4 silver pan head screws and 4 plastic washers, 2 rails on each side. Repeat one set of rail installation for the UPS. Loosen the 4 screws to remove the front covers. Then loosen the 8 screws to remove the battery cover. Disconnect the battery connectors. Pull out the battery packs slowly and set them aside for reinstalling later. Loosen the 2 chassis fixed screws on each side. Install the 2 rack mount ears onto both sides of the EBM using 3 black flat head screws on each side. Secure each hanging bracket using 2 black flat head screws, 2 hanging brackets on each side. Then install the 2 rear hanging brackets onto both sides of the EBM using 2 black flat head screws on each side. Slide the EBM hanging brackets onto the mounted rails with the battery connectors facing forward. From the front, secure the EBM to the rack with 1 black pan head screw on each side. Reinstall the battery packs slowly. Reconnect the battery connectors. Place back the battery cover and screws. Then the front covers and screws. Repeat the EBM installation to connect additional EBMs. For the UPS, follow the same installation method as the EBM, excluding 1 set of hanging brackets. Slide the UPS onto the rack. Both the UPS and EBM are secured with a safety locking mechanism. Press the locking tabs to release them from the rack, if needed. Then secure the UPS with 1 black pan head screw on each side. Remove the terminal block cover by loosening 4 screws, then loosen and reattach the cable glands. All circuit breakers must be off before connecting cables. Remove the copper sheets for dual input power setup. Route the power cables through the cable glands and verify that the phase sequence matches the UPS terminal labeling. Secure the terminal block main box onto the UPS using 4 black truss screws. Tighten the cable glands to secure the power cables. Finally, reinstall the terminal block cover and screws. Remove the battery PVC protective cover of the EBM. Connect the battery cable to the UPS and EBM. Connect the ground wire to the UPS and EBM. Secure the fixed plate to the UPS with 2 black truss screws, fasten with a cable tie, then repeat for the EBM. Repeat the steps to connect the battery cable and ground wire for additional EBMs. Turn on the external circuit breaker and the UPS begins initializing. Select the rack mount display orientation. Complete the initial settings by configuring the parameters. The UPS will run self-tests, which may take a few minutes, then transfer to line mode when ready for use. For optional inspection, verify that the UPS switches to battery mode by turning off the input circuit breaker.